One of the questions that we've had previously is he ha, meaning what? He ha tera, what is that? Now, aha is actually the word that asks what, and he means in the category of, and so he ha means in what category is this thing, or what is it? But we can use aha in other types of questions, meaning what is someone doing, with kei te aha and then the person or the subject. Kei te aha koe, what are you doing? Kei te aha a he me, what is he me doing? And as with all the other questions, we answer this by replacing the key question word, in this case aha, with the answer. And so, kei te aha rato, what are they doing? Kei te waiata rato, they are singing. And here's an interesting one, see if you can get this. Kei te aha tawa. What are you and I doing? Kei te korero tawa, you and I are talking. So, kei te aha is in the present tense, but we can also use aha with other tense markers as well. I te aha a Rangi, what was Rangi doing? I te mahi a Rangi, Rangi was working. Ka aha ngā tamariki, what will the children do? Ka moi ngā tamariki, the children will sleep, eventually, hopefully. E aha ana rato, what are they doing or what were they doing? E kai ana rato, they are or they were eating. So these examples all relate to what was or is happening, and we replace aha in the answer with a verb. But we can also use aha to ask about the object of the sentence. Kei te kai koe e te aha, you are eating what? And again we answer by replacing aha. I te titiro ia ki te aha, she was looking at what? Or in English we'd just say, what was she looking at? And we could answer, I te titiro ia ki te rako, she was looking at the tree. Don't know why. Kei te tākro ngā tamariki I te aha, the children were playing with what? Kei te tākro ngā tamariki I te hei hei, the children were playing with the chicken. Yeah, with the chicken? Yeah, hi. Why?